Hello?
Hey!
What's up, dude?
I'm at a payphone! Can you come get me?
What are you doing at a payphone?
There was this girl, and she was chasing me through my house. I left my cell phone at home. I had to leave. I came straight to
Okay, yeah. I'll be there, okay? Alright, bye. So, why'd you go to a payphone?
I don't know. Hey, I heard you are a wild one.
Hey.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
YOLO.
Oh, I know where we can go.
Where?
Let's go to the beach, let's go get away.
I could take you places you ain't never been before.
No, man, that's too far.
What happened to you?
YOLO.
I don't know.
Hello? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, yesterday? Oh, okay, so, yeah. Okay.
What happened?
I just found out that my girlfriend broke up with me yesterday.
And you just found out now?
Yo, I was...
Oh.
Know you've been hurt by someone else. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
I feel so close to you right now.
Ew, not like that.
Awkward.
I'm just saying that.
You light up my world like nobody else.
But just as friends. You might have gotten hurt, but you're one heartbreak closer to finding your true love. You're gonna meet this beautiful girl, and you're gonna be like,
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
No, I mean, I was just kidding. I couldn't date you anyways. You remind me of this ugly, horrible, disgusting, like, big-lipped, enormous, round-hipped girl that tried to break into my house the other day.
yeah? What's your name?
You'll be falling for me, baby. Hi, my name's Rolanda.
Rolanda. That name will haunt me for many moons to come. But yeah, best friends.
Exactly!
So I set the world on fire.
Okay, bye.